In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a signature background in Photoshop the fast and clean way, so you can turn a handwritten signature into a crisp, reusable PNG with a transparent background. This is perfect if you want to place your signature on documents, forms, branding assets, or digital paperwork without that messy white paper showing around the edges. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your signature image in Photoshop. The goal here is to make the signature ink stand out as much as possible while making the paper background as bright and clean as possible. That contrast is what makes the rest of the process much easier. To do that, press Ctrl+L on Windows or go to Image, then Adjustments, then Levels. This opens the Levels panel, which lets you control the brightness and contrast of the image very precisely. Now look at the histogram in the Levels panel. You'll see the input sliders underneath it, and on the right side, you'll notice the eyedropper tools. Click the white eyedropper tool first, then click on a part of the paper background that looks a little shadowy or grey. This tells Photoshop that this area should be treated as pure white, which instantly helps clean up the background. Next, click the black eyedropper tool and then click directly on the darkest part of the ink in the signature. This boosts the dark areas and helps Photoshop understand what should stay visible. When you're happy with the result, click OK. At this point, your signature should already look a lot more defined. Now we're going to use channels, because channels are one of the best ways to isolate a signature from paper, especially if the image has uneven lighting or a slightly textured background. Open the Channels panel next to your Layers panel. If you don't see it, go up to Window and choose Channels. Inside the Channels panel, you'll see the red, green, and blue channels. Click each one individually and look carefully at the preview. You want the channel that gives you the strongest difference between the dark ink and the white background. In many cases, the blue channel works really well, especially for black or blue ink, but the best channel can vary depending on your image. Once you find the channel with the highest contrast, hold down Ctrl and click directly on that channel's thumbnail. Photoshop will instantly load a selection based on that channel. You'll see the marching ants appear around the selected areas. Here's the important part. Because channels often select the brighter background areas, your selection may be targeting the paper instead of the signature itself. That's completely normal. We just need to invert it. Press Ctrl+, Shift+I, or go to Select and choose Inverse. This flips the selection, so now the signature strokes are selected instead of the background. That is the key step that lets us extract only the ink. Now go back to your Layers panel, create a new layer by pressing Ctrl+, Shift+N. After that, hide the original image layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. This leaves you working only with the selected signature area. Before filling, make sure your foreground color is set to the signature color you want. If you want a classic signature, use black. If you want something more branded or stylized, you can choose a dark blue or another solid color. The important thing is to choose a clean, solid color that will look sharp on top of documents. With the selection still active, press Alt+ Backspace to fill the selection with your foreground color. Photoshop will place that color only inside the signature area, giving you a clean, solid version of the ink. Now press Ctrl+ to deselect everything. At this point, you should have a crisp signature isolated on its own layer. If the background layer is hidden or removed, the transparency is preserved, which is exactly what you want for reuse. The final step is saving it properly. Go to File, then Export, then Quick Export as PNG. PNG is the best format here because it preserves transparency, so you can place the signature on documents, images, or designs without any white box behind it. And that's it. You've successfully removed the signature background in Photoshop and turned it into a clean, transparent file you can use again and again. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop workflows, editing tricks, and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.